Rizul Sensatori, just walking along the beach. It's sunrise. Probably, I don't know, about 6:15 in the morning. Yeah, tell me about it. This is the left side of the resort. Beach over here is a lot more seashells. There's Sensatori right there. So we're just walking along. Beautiful sunrise.